Today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Sony TV if it has no sound. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Press the home button on the remote. Go to settings, display and sound, audio output, set Dolby Digital plus output to Dolby Digital. Method 3. This is last thing. Usually we'll do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Press the home button on the remote, go to settings, go to storage and reset, factory data reset, erase everything. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.